Girl, when she said his name was Jesus, all the choirs in the world started singing. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hey everybody, and welcome back to All Things Nele, or you can call me Nele. That's what my family calls me. Y'all, let me go on and say right now I'm in my feelings because this is episode 10, Decisions. It's the last episode of season 1 of To Rome with Love, and I'm feeling some kind of way. I wasn't ready for it to end. I hope with season 2 I get at least 18 episodes because 10 was just not enough for me. But let's go on and get into this episode. On this episode, Miss Diann throws their farewell gala at a palace for her queens, her little princesses. I guess I should call them queens. They're all queens. And let me tell you, y'all wasn't ready for it to be over. I just feel some kind of way. I'm in my feelings. So bravo, I'm asking you, 18 episodes next season. I'm going to be honest with y'all. It's so nice to have a show that's not ghetto, that's classy, and I needed something on this level. I love Married to Medicine. I love The Real Housewives, but we needed something of this caliber. And I'm loving it. And again, I hope we have another season of this show. I really do, because it was good. It gave me life. It was just everything for me. So Nakita's news of Alberto saying I love you had Miss Diann doing a sanctified praise dance. But I think the biggest thing this season that has happened for me is that Miss Mercedes has shown growth. She got it. She gets it. She came home for us. She did the doggone thing. In the end, she learned, and I'm so happy. I'm so proud of her. She had your girl in tears, honey. She had me all snotty and everything. I think out of all the shows I watched, I was the most emotional at the end of this one. I couldn't even record this show for at least 2 days. So I'm just now recording this show on Tuesday because, like I said, I had to get some composure about myself because I was that emotional over this show because, I'm just no, it can't be over, and I was in my feelings, child. Like I said, this is my show. But anyway, so where do they go from here? So let's start off with Shay and Emilio. I was excited to see when he came to pick her up. He was actually more relaxed at this point. They get down to the end of the show. That's why I said I needed more episodes. We got down to the end of the show. He showed up in casual clothes. He was actually more relaxed. He was actually getting into her, actually feeling her, I feel like he was just reaching the point that he was letting loose. And I feel like not only did Shay find herself, I feel like Emilio found himself. I feel like he was becoming somebody he didn't even know that he could become, and that I just needed more. I wasn't ready for this to end. I just needed more because I just think they really could have went further if they was there a little longer. Shay just brought him out. Miss Diann brought Shay out and seen that she could love again, that taught her how she could find love, and I feel like Shay taught Emilio how he was going to be able to find love again. It just was a domino effect for them. And I loved it. But I did want him to answer her question directly when she asked, what would happen when she left, and I feel like had they been there longer, more would have came from it. But anyway, she has put out the next thing I want to talk about is Ashley and Alejandro. And tonight was the night she had put out sex with him, and honey, I knew she was gonna blow his mind. And when she opened that door in that lingerie, he said he had never in his life had that happen to him before. He said it was like a dream come true. She had cooked up him a dinner. And honey, she was about to turn that man out. I don't think he was prepared. He was ready for what was about to happen to him, because Ashley was about to put it on him. And she did put it on him. And he had no idea really, you know, what was in store. She hadn't had sex for a while, so she was about to blow his mind for real. Honey. It was about to get hot up and down. Let me tell you, child. It was about to go down. He was, boy. She wasn't going to be playing tonight. It wasn't going to be just no booed up, child. Ashley. Girl, see, this is why I needed a reunion show. See, the reunion show, you could have gave me more details, Miss Ashley. Yeah. So, I don't blame Ashley. I done put it off this long. It was time. It was time. But I was proud of her for waiting down to the end. So anyway, I felt like, to me, Miss Diann really was their fairy godmother, because, honey, she made some dreams come true. But as for Ashley and Alejandro, at the end of their dinner, poor Ashley broke down. She just wasn't ready for it to end, and she ended up staying, I think, a couple of more days. She met his mother, and her mother thought the world of Ashley, and they really did look a lot alike. He ended up going to see her, meeting her kids, and they have future plans to see each other again. And I'm glad. I really would be surprised if they didn't continue to see each other, because she really feeling him, and maybe he'll make a move, you know, because I don't see him letting Ashley go just yet. So anyway, the next person I want to talk about, because I just can't prolong it, my girl Mercedes. I know I've been hard on Mercedes this whole entire season, because I feel like she just wasn't getting it. She wasn't grasping it, or whatever. But she did in the end, and I want to applaud her for holding it together, waiting on Kai to get there, because she has had so many trust issues, and she was so worried the whole entire time she was there at the palace. And when he showed up with those roses, you could see her wall just come down. She trusted the process like Miss Diann told her to. She waited. She did what she needed to do, honey. But when they was out there sitting at that doggone fountain, and he told that doggone girl, you know, even his friends thought they was a perfect match, because his last name was a car, her first name was a vehicle. He said they were just meant to be. They so cute together. But when he said, and she asked him his real name, and that boy told her Jesus, I could not. Hey! Hallelujah! 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 Thank you, Jesus. Girl, the whole time you was hiding that boy, keeping him in the back. The boy name was Jesus. You should have been fooling with him in the first place. Girl, Lord have mercy. But anyway, she found him in the end. They still, what has become of them? Let's see, they still talking on the phone every day. And they still friends. I don't see her letting him go. You think she gonna let somebody named Jesus go? Nope. Not about to happen. So I hope that something prospers from them. They both young. They don't have Mercedes did stay an extra week out there with him also. So now let me get on down to Miss Nakita. Y'all, when she was at that doggone dinner, at their little farewell party, and that doggone Alberto gonna say his wife, I'm glad she held it together, because I sure as hell didn't. Boy, I got heated. I said, don't tell me he married and his divorce ain't final yet. I wasn't really heated, but you know, kind of like Alberto was in the process of getting divorced. I said, let me guess, he in the process of getting a divorce too. But at first I like to panic, because I thought, you know, I don't know what I thought, but all I heard was the word wife. And you know, as a married, you know, as a woman, when you hear the word wife, your mind kind of goes somewhere. But anyway, I'm glad she held it together, and she talked to everybody, and she sat down and talked to him and addressed it. And it was his ex-wife, and he was just referring to her as his wife. But they, in the end, they really liked each other, but they decided to be friends. Girlfriend done lost 26 pounds, and I hadn't mentioned this. I noticed it on her Instagram, and I have not mentioned it because I was waiting for this episode to mention. She looks great. She already looks beautiful. She looks even more beautiful. Her business is booming, it says. Also, make sure you go follow her on Instagram, because if you suffer from a chronic disorder or a chronic illness, you really need to be following her on Twitter and Instagram, because she has an awesome website where you can go and get a work from home job. Let me tell you, I work from home because I have a chronic illness, and I'm gonna tell you, I went through so much to find a legitimate work from home job for years. I wish it was something like this available for me from the beginning. So you need to be sure that you follow her and go through the website, fill out the information, fill out the form so she can help you out. She can hook you up. And I'm going to I'm going to remember to leave a link for that below to her website, so you can find an at-home job, especially if you suffer from a chronic illness. Be sure to follow her. I'm glad that she and Alberto still remain friends. Okay, as for Miss Gina is back cooking. She is writing her new book, so be sure when her new book comes out that you do purchase it, because I'm gonna tell you, these women are very skillful. They have office stuff, and I want to know more about her dating. That's why I needed a reunion show, because I want to know about her dating right now and this new man she dating. Y'all see, y'all need to give me a reunion show so I can get these details. I needed all this tea now. Y'all know I was going to want this tea. You knew I was going to want it. Y'all, I'm going to have to go be nose on her social media. Y'all make sure, and go back and look at my videos. I've left their social media, their Twitters on there. Go follow them on social media so y'all get all this tea, because these women are amazing. These are some talented women. Y'all need to be really follow them. They have great businesses that y'all can benefit from. Just outstanding. But anyway, she's doing great and everything is awesome. I'm happy for all these women. So in the end, let me round this up one more time. Ashley and Alejandro are pretty much still seeing each other and have visited. Alejandro has visited in the United States and has met Ashley kids. Mercedes stayed an extra week. Her and Kai still talk every day, kind of still have a romantic interest, or not giving up on each other. Shay and Emilio kind of went different ways. Shay is focusing on business and more exciting organizations and business ventures and whatnot. Nakita is doing outstanding with business, and her and Alberto are very good friends still. Miss Gina has her new book. She is currently dating, and she's back cooking again. Miss Diann is still organizing events, doing weddings and everything. Cece, oh my God, y'all need to be following Miss Cece, and be sure y'all follow Michael. Honey, they can organize some stuff on a professional, glamorous level. Y'all, when Miss Diann requested, honey, they can pull off some stuff. Y'all need to be sure to follow them. I'm gonna tell you, they are amazing. I love this show. I'm going to stay tuned for season 2. I have not heard anything about season 2, but I will be waiting. I got some Nelson panel survey stuff laying over here on my desk. And if they get leaked, they ask me for some comments and all that kind of stuff, as they do sometime. My comments going to be putting in there. They better not ask me about what kind of show that I want to see like they normally do, because I will be putting this show as one of my top 10 shows in that survey. Y'all, if you haven't watched it, download the Bravo Now app, both from the Play Store or the iTunes Store. I'm gonna see if I can link it below. I haven't done that before, but I'm gonna try to. And go in there, you sign in with your cable provider and watch these shows. I think it's on Hulu. I'm not sure if it's on Hulu. Go watch To Roam for Love, because I'm gonna tell you, if you slept on it, now's the time to go binge watching and catch up on it. So when that season 2 drop, you'll be up to date. I thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share your girls' videos. And I will see y'all next season. And be sure to watch my last of each season that I'm already reviewing. And I'll catch y'all later. Bye.